Today we're going to make an alligator paper craft. For this craft, you will need the alligator template. I will put a link in the description. Then you'll need some glue stick and some scissors and your choice of coloring medium. I'm using paint today, but you can use whatever you like. First, color your picture. Don't worry if you color outside the lines. If you use wax crayons to color your picture, you will need to find another way to attach the pieces, as glue stick won't work. I suggest push pins or butterfly clips. And don't worry about coloring inside the lines, since we'll just be cutting out our picture when we're done. And of course, remember to have fun. After you're done coloring, and in my case, when the paint is dried, it's time to cut out our pieces. Once you've cut out every piece, you can glue or fasten the pieces of the template together. And that's it, you're finished.